Hello everyone, in today's video I will talk to you about pin clicks and how I use pin clicks and AI to write blog posts very quickly that are primarily focused for Pinterest and that are perfect for earning money from the very get-go. Okay, so I can do this very quickly using AI because I have set up a process for all of my sites, and in today's video I will actually show you the whole process. Okay, now for this process we'll be using two tools, mainly actually three tools: PinClicks, Ideogram and ChatGPT, or any other large language model that you want to use. That can be Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, etc. But personally I use ChatGPT. Okay, so if you don't know about PinClicks, I have talked about this tool multiple times. Let me actually go to PinClicks. So pinclicks.com. So this is a tool for Pinterest marketers. It helps you research keyword ideas and lots of other things. I have made many videos on this tool already. If you want, you can check those videos out. And if you want to try this tool, you can. There is a free trial, and there will also be a link in the description. That is my affiliate link. Thank you for using that link. If you use that link and buy the tool, it won't cost you anything extra, but it will give me a kickback, so thank you for that. Okay, so I have come into the PinClicks and now I am in the Keyword Explorer tab. If you don't know anything about this tab, I have made a separate video on this tab solely. So how do you work with this thing? How do you work with this whole interface? But in today's video, I will actually show you what I do for writing a blog post. Okay, so suppose I have a blog on hairstyles. Okay, and now I want to write an article on hairstyle that is perfect for Pinterest, that shall work on Pinterest, and all the images and everything will be very much ready to go. So I will do everything. So first of all, I will come to Keyword Explorer and I will write hairstyle here. Okay, hairstyle. I even don't know what topic to choose. I have no idea. So I am just coming from the very basic idea that I will write an article on hairstyle. So I have searched hairstyle and now I can see all of the keywords sorted by volume. I don't want to take the ones that has 6 million volumes. I will choose a much more niche one. Suppose I want to write something on short hairstyle women. Okay, short hairstyle for women. But I don't want to target these keyword because this keyword is very high volume and I am sure it will be very competitive. So what I can do is I will just copy it and I will paste it here. Now I will get all the keywords under this parent keyword. Okay, and I can see what do I have here. Okay, so short hairstyle women, round face, so that's an exciting one. I can do one with that. For black women, for women with fine hair, molar style, so there are lots of ideas. So let's do one like I don't want to do something on black women. I don't want to trigger any offensive keywords in Pinterest. Short hairstyle women, fine hair. Okay, so let's work on this one. Okay, so I will further search with this, but this time I will write my article on this keyword. This will be the primary keyword, but then again I want to find all the other sub keywords under this keyword because of I want to target this in my Pinterest description, Pinterest title and all other things. Okay, so you will grab these keywords, or at least the ones that apply to your blog post, and you will use them later on to write the Pinterest blog post, Pinterest title, Pinterest description, all text, everything. Okay, so we have selected our topic, our main keyword actually. Now I want to turn it into a title. Okay, so I will go to ChatGPT. Now for titles, I do actually have a custom GPT. I made this for giving me title and intros. Like if I just write here title colon and the main keyword, what I can do is I can customize it. Like if I want, suppose I want 10 ideas in this blog post. Okay, so I can write here 10 short hairstyle ideas and I will just press enter and the GPT will give me the title. And so, and I have made this custom GPT in such a way that it actually uses formulas that actually worked in the past for other blog posts. like viral formulas. Okay, so you can choose one from here. Short hair train short haircuts that add in volume to find here. So suppose I want to change work with this one. Okay, so now what I will do is I have got my title. Now I will just paste the title here, and what my GPT will do is it will write 3 intros based on this title. Okay, so the GPT is writing these intros based on this title, and I can choose whichever one I want. Okay, again, I have customized the GPT or programmed it in such a way that the intros come out very nice. They don't sound AI. So if you read any of it, it actually sounds like a very good copywriter has written it. So I will choose any one of it. Now you might ask me, you don't have access to this GPT, right? So if you want, I can give you access to this GPT. If you want that access, let me know in the comment below, then I will share it with you. Or I'll also might make it public so anyone can use it. I am not sure yet, but if you want to use this GPT, let me know in the comment box below. But if you don't want to use it, just what you can do is come to ChatGPT, just give it a prompt like this. This is my primary keyword. Give me 5 title ideas that are clickbaity, high CTR worthy, something like that. Okay, my spelling is not that good today. Clickbaity. Okay, the good thing about ChatGPT is you don't have to spell it right. ChatGPT will just understand. Okay, so you can do something like that and press enter, and it will give you 5 ideas. So these are also good. Okay, so now I want that intro based on this title. Suggest me 3 intros, 3 different styles with different hooks. Make it look like an expert copywriter has written it, something like that. So you can use these types of prompts, and you can actually use these intros too. Okay, so what have we done so far? Let me check. So we have found out the primary keyword. We made a great title out of that keyword. We crafted a great intro out of that title. Okay, so most of the things for a blog post is ready now. All we need is now the main content, the ideas for the short hair plus pics. So this is the main thing. And how can we do this? So it's actually very easy. Okay, I will take up my title. Which one I selected? This one. So I go to ChatGPT and I'll write something like that. This is my blog post title. Give me 10 ideas. Explain each of those hairstyle ideas thoroughly. Give a step-by-step guide for each one. Also, after each one, provide a text prompt to generate the image of that hairstyle idea. So this is the main thing, and now I will provide some tone information, like use simple short sentences, personal anecdotes, and then if you want you can write like casual tone, something like that, and I will just press enter, and now the GPT will do all the heavy work for me. Now it will give me all the ideas and how to do it and the prompt image. Okay, so now what will you do is you will go to WordPress or any other CMS you're working with. You will copy paste this part, and for the text prompt image you will just take it here. You will just copy it and go to ideogram. So ideogram is an image generation AI tool that I use it every single day. my whole business actually now runs on this. I actually have the highest tier subscription for this tool. Okay, so I have come to ideogram.ai. Now what I will do is I'll go to the creations tab. You'll see all my pictures here that I have created. So now I will paste the prompt here. I will click it. I will make it aspect ratio 9:16 or 2:13, whichever you want. Then you can keep the magic prompt on or off, up to you. You can keep the visibility on or off, up to you. But the aspect ratio is important for Pinterest. You need a vertical aspect ratio. So choose either 2:3 or 9:16 to keep the model 2.0, and then keep it for auto for now. If you're not getting the picture you want, then you can play with the other models, okay, or other styles. Now click on generate, and ideogram will generate that exact hairstyle idea for me that ChatGPT has given me the prompt. So it will only take a few seconds. Ta-da! You can see the images look so good. So I can easily use this image in the blog post for this idea. So you will do the same thing for each of these ideas. Like for the second one, you will copy paste this section to your WordPress, and then you will just copy paste the prompt to ideogram again, and it will generate the image for this idea. So you will do it for each of the ideas, all the 10 ideas, and through the way your post will be perfectly ready for Pinterest. And after that, all you need to do is publish the pins to your Pinterest and wait for the magic to happen. Wait for the Pinterest god to give you the traffic. Okay, so this is how actually I make my post. You can see this looks very good, professionals, so you can use this. This is the actual process I follow to come up with blog post ideas, to craft the blog post, to generate the pictures and everything. So I hope this video will help you out. You can start on, you can quickly produce Pinterest for the articles, and hopefully you will get traffic out of it. If you have any more question, let me know in the comment section below. And if you want, later I will make a video on, after producing the blog post, how I publish the pins in Pinterest. In that stage, you will specifically have to keep in mind that the Pinterest title, pin description, alt text, everything need to be very optimized with keywords. Which keywords? These keywords, okay, the ones we have found earlier. So you will need to keep this in mind. If you want, I will make a separate video on that, but for today, this is the video. If you have any more question, let me know, and I hope I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.